Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. Thanks for stopping by this video. I just wanted to do a real quick update. If you've been online or on any of the YouTube channels, you should already know that the event, the main event, is going to be happening tomorrow. This is March 29th, so March 30th. The event is starting at 10 a.m. and it goes till about 2 p.m. is what we've heard so far. So it's really exciting. If you're a founder, if you're not a founder, if you're curious about it, if you're a founder and you have family and friends that just don't understand, bring them to the event. Okay, this is the introduction of ONPASSIVE to the world. This is not the global launch of ONPASSIVE. Okay, let me reiterate that. This is not the global launch of ONPASSIVE. Products are not being sold right now. Okay, this is an introduction to ONPASSIVE to the world. This is ONPASSIVE beginning the marketing campaign. Okay, right up until now, only founders have been sharing ONPASSIVE. Okay, so this is very exciting. This is just the beginning. This is the initial rollout tomorrow, again from 10 to 2. You can get on the YouTube, any of these YouTube channels to watch, or you can just go to THETOP.LIVE. I'll have that below this video so you can click right to it, or you can also go to the ONPASSIVE YouTube channel, corporate YouTube channel, and it'll be live on there too. Okay, so it's very exciting. Again, it's not the global launch. The global launch, you know, when we open, there's going to be products being sold. Everyone would have already heard of ONPASSIVE. This is the initial. What's happening tomorrow is the introduction of ONPASSIVE globally to the world. Okay, this is what Ash Mufareh is just excels so much at, and this is going to be really huge, and it's really exciting of what's coming. Okay, and it's going to lead into, it's going to roll into more. There's going to be, you know, there's going to be more to where they're going to be doing more advertising. And it's going to continue, the rollout of ONPASSIVE will continue. Okay, tomorrow's the start of it. And it's going to be big, and it's like we've never seen. It's not your normal, you know, it's not like the advertising that I've tried doing before in the past. It's, or anybody else has done in the past. This is unique. This is Ash Mufareh. This is going to be incredible. I really encourage you, if you can at all, to get there, even if it can only make it for a few minutes, maybe during lunch. Again, it's from 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 2, and it's THETOP.LIVE. And you can go to the Zoom. If you're a founder, you can get in and go to the Zoom, but it only holds 20,000 people. So you can also go, like I said before, on the YouTube channels, which is the THETOP.LIVE. You can go, and that'll take you to the link right there to any of the YouTube channels that are carrying it. And then you can put it on your TV. I'm going to put it on my TV and watch it from there. So I'm very excited. Again, this is not the global launch. Okay, this is not where we're setting up wallets, where, you know, ONPASSIVE. This is just the initial marketing campaign. Okay, not just. It is the initial marketing campaign. And this is huge. This is what we've all been waiting for. This starts it off. Okay, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to see what Ash Mufareh has set up. This is going to be incredible. So, again, we're in it to win it. This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. And I'll see you at the top.